Hey guys, Krista here for Unity. I have a video using June 2018's uniquely Unity stamp set called Succulent Greetings. We are going to begin by having the Succulent Greeting stamp pre-cut. We're going to be using the sentiment from 2018, sentiment kit, Copics, distressed oxides and lucky clover, and peeled paint. We're going to begin by using some thicker washi tape and covering the bottom part of our actual card base. Using lucky clover, I'm going to put some on the bottom of the card or the beginning of the washi tape, and then with peeled paint we're going to start blending upwards. We're only going to blend about mid-section of the card base, as I want the white of the card base to be shown. I'm going to remove the washi tape. Now, using a different washi tape, and this is a striped gold, I'm gonna just place it where our thicker washi tape was. I left a bit of a line so you can see that this had been masked onto the card base. I'm gonna add the sentiment from the May 2018 sentiment kit with black ink. Now we're going to begin to color the succulent from the stamp set. We're going to begin by coloring the pot of the succulents and leaving the center where our lighting is hitting the pot. Using YG13, we're going to color those longer leaves, and then with Y02, just going to go over that on the tips and follow the shading with YG95. The largest sentiment is being colored with YG17. I'm going to color the entirety of the succulent, and then with Y05 or G05, we're going to do the shading on the edge of the petals on the left side. Moving on to the other leaves, YG95, followed with YG99 as our darkest shade. With YG05, we're going to color the larger leaves with G19, doing the bottom portion, and then coloring those flowers the same color as the pot. We are going to place the succulent onto our card base using foam adhesive. And then we're going to place this directly onto the card. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please give the video a thumbs up and a sweet comment below. Thank you so much for joining us. Have an awesome day.